Hi everybody, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. Today we will discuss class 9 maths problem exercise 2.4 question number 5 Roman number 4 which we left yesterday. Actually all the process will be same, the one that we did in previous classes. As we can see here, we are given with some polynomial, that is 2y cubed plus y squared minus 2y minus 1. We have to factorize this, and since here we are given with 4 terms, the process will be a bit different, unlike the one that we did in factorize of 3 terms. In order to know it better, let us proceed to this. First of all, let us name this one as the given polynomial as p of x, and let us proceed it. Here it will be y. First let us assume that y minus 1 equal to 0. In order to get this, it should be y. Now let us move this one on the other side, then it will become y equal to 1. Now what is the values of y that we have in hand? It is 1. In case of every y, you have to put the values of y that we got, it is 1. It will be b1 equal to, what is this? 2y cubed. What is the values of y that we have? It is 1. It will be 1 cubed. And what is this? Y. Since we have a square, let us put a square. Then it will be 1. Now 2 times of 1 cube, it will give you 2, and minus 1 square will give you how much? It will be 1, and minus into plus will give you minus, and 2 into 1 will give you 2 minus 1. As we can see here both of the values are same, but the sign is different. So if you subtract 2 from these two, then it will get the remainder as 0. So in order to know it better, just mark it like this, or just cut it like this, and even in this, and after that it will get 0. Thus we came to know that the values of p of y that we got is 0. If it is 0, then what can we say about this y minus 1? We can say that thus y minus 1 is a factor of p of y. Okay, and then if it is a factor, then we have to divide whatever polynomial that is given to us in this by using this. Here first of all, let us write y minus 1, and what is the values of py that we have? Just write it here, 2y cubed plus y squared minus 2y minus 1. Here, as we all know that it is plus. If it is plus, then no need to put any sign, just multiply it to whatever number or whatever variable that you are about to get. Alright, here we have 2y cubed. In order to get that, you have to multiply this y with 2y squared, and after that you will get 2y cubed. Minus into plus will give you minus, and 1 into 2y squared will give you 2y squared. Right? And after that we have minus. If it is minus, we have to change this one in the form of plus, and if it is plus, then we have to change it in minus. Here it is plus, then we have to change it in minus. Now just cut it so that it will be clear for you. Here it is plus, and here it is plus. Forget about this. Instead of this, you have to take this one. Plus into plus will give you plus, 2 plus 1 will give you 3, and here it will be 3y squared. And the sign of it is just before the greater number, it is plus, and because of that we took plus, and no need to write the other one, just keep it as it is. Minus 2y minus 1, and whatever the sign that you have, just use here. since we have plus, then we have to keep plus here. Now by using this y, how many numbers or how many variables should you need to multiply with in order to get this? It is 3y. If you multiply y and 3y, then it will give you 3y square, right? And minus into plus will give you minus, and a 1 into 3y will give you 3y. And whatever the sign that you have in this, you have to change it. Same as here, you will change it here. Here we have plus, it will be minus. Alright, then cut it. Since if you subtract this two, then it will get the remainder as 0. So in order to denote that, or in order to know it better, just cut it. Now what is this? Here we have minus, here we have plus. Minus into plus will give you minus 3. Here it is 3 minus 2, so 3 minus 2 will give you 1. No need to write 1, just write y as it is. And what is the sign just before the greater number? It is plus. No need to write any sign, just keep it as it is if it is plus. And what is the sign here? It is minus. Take it down and take it this 1 again. Now as we know that here it is plus, we have to keep plus here. Y, how many times should you multiply with in order to get y? It is 1. Y into 1 will give you y, and minus into plus will give you minus, and a 1 into 1 will give you 1. Here it is minus. If it is minus, we have to change it, and here it is plus, we have to change it. And after that, just cut it so that it will be there for you, right? And after that, we are about to take whatever common that we can get it from this. You write it, and therefore what is the values of px that we have? It is 2y cubed plus y square minus 2y minus 1. And firstly, I have to write this. Since we have this one, first you write the one, and after that, whatever values or whatever question that you've got here, you have to write it. Right after this, just try to split this into 2 parts. In order to do that, what you need to know is you have to take LCM. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 will give you 2, and if you take LCM to this, then it will be 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 will give you 2. And by using this number as well as using this, the sign of whatever you have here, you have to split this into 2 parts. Here we have 3. By using this as well as using these values, 2 plus 1, it will give you 3, and if you multiply this 2, then you will get the product that you got after multiplying this one and this. And what is this? We have y. Let us write it and after this, and it will be y minus 1. It will be 2y square, right? And plus 2 into y, it will be 2y, and a 1 into y, it will be y plus 1. Y minus 1. Now let us try to take common out of this 2. It will be 2y. 2y into y will give you 2y square. 2y into 1 will give you 2y. Here, other than 1, we can't take any common, so let us take 1. 1 into y plus 1. Now just arrange it this, and then that will be the end for this. What do we have here? It is y minus 1, 2y, y plus 1, y plus 1, and here we have 2y plus 1. First, let us take these two, right? And it will be y plus 1. And after that, what do we have? It is 2y plus 1. Let us take that one. Alright, this is all about the problem that we have to solve it here. And this is the end for this. Guys, is it clear to all of you? Those who have any problem and related with this problem or in this maths that we solved today, please comment down below. And that's all for today. Wish you all the best. Thank you.